Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming whether the issue affects one device or every device. Check if other devices can access websites before restarting equipment. If all devices fail, reboot your modem and router. Unplug power, wait 1 minute, then plug in and allow full reboot. Use a wired connection to avoid Wi-Fi variables. Open a command prompt and ping 8 to verify IP connectivity. Run nslookup Google com to see which DNS server responds to queries. If the DNS server is not responding, switch to a public DNS server temporarily. Open your network adapter settings and manually set DNS to 8. On Windows, open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons to clear the DNS cache. Follow with ipconfig/renew to request a new IP lease from DHCP. Disable any active VPNs, proxy servers, or DNS filtering apps while you test connectivity. Retry loading websites and run nslookup again to confirm resolution. For persistent DNS failures, reset network stacks to eliminate configuration corruption. On Windows, run netch-int IP reset and netch-winsock reset from an elevated command prompt. Reboot your computer after running those commands and test again. Inspect your host's file for incorrect entries that might block domains and remove any bad mappings. Update your router firmware to the latest version and consider disabling IP6 temporarily while testing. If problems persist after these steps, contact your ISP to confirm upstream DNS and network status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.